here's the start. Yeah, so I grew up
Columbia River Sturgeon Fest 2006.
Oh yeah. I've been up here
Chris,
ever since.
Jason, Ryan, and Ray. Cheers.
Okay. Who needs deadliest catch? There we go. Got it going.
You want a belt?
Well,
you want to fight?
Nah, we're gonna pass this around.
Okay, cool.
10 minutes into day one. Nut psych. Actually, this is day 3 when we finally hooked our first big fish. Ray's on the helm right now. Smile, Ray. Woohoo! Yeah, he is. He's taking off.
He's taking a
Oh shit! He had him.
A lot of line.
Yeah, he did. He had him down to
A lot.
long way out. Ray's got the thickness going.
Step over to the left side of the boat up over there and get in behind here and steer, and we'll be good to go right there. We'll slip this back in here.
We should be good on this.
We'll get good.
This is by the. And we got 60 minutes, so.
I can tell you when I think he's coming up.
Who wants to grab him? Yeah, whatever.
Somebody get on it.
We'll go ahead and grab us it. Now, there. Got him. Thank you now. Watch that weight.
Yeah.
Oh, he's still kicking. Who has the pole?
I got it.
Chris, you want to pull up tight on that?
Okay.
Oh,
let go, let go.
He is still lively.
Yep.
all we got to do is get him laid out flat once. Try not to pull his head too much out of the water. That makes him really pissed off. Can you push down on his nose with your other hand?
Yeah. There we go.
We got it.
Okay.
Okay, just pull him up tight to me. I'm at the back of the boat. Pull him up tight. And look at where the tip of his nose just... It's on the H. On the H? Yeah. Okay, good. We'll take care of that later so we know that. 105.5 inches.
Almost 8.5 inches.
Well, you're at
I'm sorry, 103.
8. Yeah, so just shy of 9 foot. It's probably 2 inches shy of 9 foot. Because you got...
It's 9 feet in my book.
Yeah.
So 8'10".
Yep.
We'll live with that.
About 4 bills, you think? 354?
That was a heavy one, yeah.
Yeah.
Probably just a hair shy of 9 foot. That's another
That's it, just like that.
Cool. We're all in.
Just I'll use it. Yeah, find it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's got about 15 minutes more on that.
Got a fish.
That's good oversize action there.
Yeah, it is.
That's good.
Right. It's not feeling.
Going out.
You drive.
The leader's going to be right here.
Yep.
Give me one more if you can.
There it is.
There, here it comes, here it comes. Look at her.
We have color here.
I got color on her. Oh, yeah! Woo!
That's an 8-footer.
I like that echo. Look at this thing. Sweet!
Nice one.
Oh, she swallowed that good, too.
Got your pole?
Yeah, I got
keep
it.
it tied up like that.
Someone can grab it. I'm coming. Got it? It's a little deeper.
We'll do a quick measurement, then we'll get the hook out.
We gonna let Ryan grab the hook?
No.
Ah, come on, Ryan.
People. That's all you expert fishermen.
You got it.
Okay, give me a sec.
Whatever letter it looks like.
Oh my God, it's a fucking twin. I'm on S.
Okay.
I think it's a little smaller.
I want to pop that hook out, right? Get it over there.
I gotcha.
It's probably a few inches
Oh,
smaller.
fuck.
I'm sorry.
I got it out and he closed his mouth on it.
Rehooked it.
Yeah.
You like that feeling on your wrist?
Give me
Bam.
one of these.
It's all you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Look up when you're ready. Oh God. Got it.
Okay, push his nose down.
Oversize number 3.
Going over me to the other side of the boat.
Fish on.
Yeah.
Good action for the amount of fish that are around right now.
Yep.
Good. They're down here. Suckers are down here.
Okay, he's up about 20. He's about 10 feet. Yep.
Here we go.
Here we come.
Holy
Oh, yes.
That might be the biggest one.
It is.
That's a fucking big bastard.
That is a pig. Just a lip hook.
That's a big one.
Just hold your pull up.
Oh!
Watch it, hold on.
Holy fuck, that's a big one.
Now it's just pissed.
That was just practicing for coming up.
Okay, now show us how it's really
Biggest
done.
one that we've got, right?
Yeah.
Oh, by
that
far.
thing's- That's pushing the 10 mark, ain't it?
That's over
Ryan,
9 foot.
I'm gonna step back here and you're taking over.
That's a big son of a bitch.
Ryan's looking at you. I am.
Okay, Ryan's second at bat of the game.
Tell me when.
This cleans the order twice.
You saw how much pressure I was putting on that thing.
Tons.
Oh, I mean, I was doing the same thing. Thumb it in. I mean, that drag is cranked.
I kept the rod up like this almost the entire
That
time.
might be the biggest one you guys have ever caught.
Might be.
Well, fuck, look at how far we're 2 miles down here.
Yeah, and he's doing it slow and methodically.
And still,
He was doing it slow and methodically.
that's even big on my speed.
Yeah. Fat, strong.